Hey, guess who forgot to film an intro? Me! Today I'm going to show you how to create a couple of really lovely 1960s inspired updos. Very chic, and they look quite tricky, quite detailed I guess, but they're not really. So the first one, secure. I've got a fringe and I'm going to have to incorporate this into my style. It's not ideal, but you know, que sera sera. Put your hair into a nice smooth high ponytail and then create a little secure elastic band thing with 2 bobby pins and an elastic band. You'll see what I use this for in a second. It's like a, I don't know what to call it, but you'll see. Flip your ponytail up and over your face and then push one clip or bobby pin in one side, stretch the elastic band over the top of your ponytail and secure on the other side with the other bobby pin. Can you see? It kind of holds your ponytail flat. You can use just 2 bobby pins if you like, or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6, however many it takes to hold your hair, but it is much easier to do it with this hairband way. Why can't I speak? Okay, take a bun donut and push it over the top of your ponytail. And then you're going to take the hair, oh no you're not, you're going to secure that bun donut down with some hairpins all around. So catch a little bit of the bun donut and then push it into your scalp right in, so it secures nice and tight. This is the foundation of the style, so you're going to want to keep this nice and secure to your head. I used, I think, 4 bobby pins actually. Just anchor it down as best you can. Once you've anchored your bun donut, you're going to take the rest of your ponytail and flip it back over itself. So you're now covering the bun donut. Come on, girl, get with it. There we go. You're going to flip that hair back over the bun donut, smooth it around so that it covers everything, and then tie it off underneath with a little elastic band. Now, I don't quite know what's wrong with me and why I keep forgetting to buy hairbands that are the same colour as my hair, but I do. So I'm using a nice pastel purple one, which you'll see is my downfall later. But if you can use one of those really tiny elastic bands, or certainly an elastic band that matches your hair colour, that would be best. Tighten it up so it secures, kind of, it pushes up against the back of that bun donut. And then you're going to split that hair in 2 and smooth it around what is now a bun and pin it in place. Try and poke in any ends that you've got. It's going to give the look of like a wrapped and covered bun. It looks very smart. So smooth that hair around. If you want to spray it first or maybe gel it first to keep it from, kind of keep the stray ends from pinging up or fuzzing out or whatever your hair might do, then please do, but just try and poke those ends in so that it just is a nice little wrapped bun, almost like no one could work out how it was formed. Looks like one of those stick-on buns, but it's not. And then my Bardo bangs, fringe, whatever. I just style it by flicking it outwards. I don't know if this is particularly 1960s. It seems to look okay. Maybe turned under would be better. This is quite 70s actually, I guess, this fringe. It's quite nice though. I'm enjoying wearing it. No, I think that looks pretty good. Yeah. Okay, so that's one. Nice. Oh yes, grosgrain ribbon. Make it into a bow. Because this is the problem, you see, I've got a big pink band at the back of my hair. So I made a ribbon into a bow and then just slid a bobby pin into the knot. I'm trying my best to cover up this pink band. But I've seen lots of girls in the 60s wearing nice big floppy bows at the back of their hairdo. So I think this sets it off really nicely. Action. Yeah, give it a go. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you try it. Let me know in the comment section down below what decade you think my fringe is from. 60s or 70s? Who knows? I don't. Okay, so next one. Kind of similar, kind of different. Wrappy, sectiony. So I'm sectioning the front of my hair off. So I've got rid of my fringe for a start. And then from the crown of my head down to behind my ear. So just those front sections of hair. And I'm tying it in a beardy fashion under my chin just to keep it out of the way. Then, as if you were going to do a half up, half down style, take the top section of that back bit of your hair and secure it away in an elastic band. Again, don't go for the pastel purple. Choose one that's nice and closely matched to your hair colour for best outcomes, should I say. Right, going to do the same thing here. I'll show you I do it this time with bobby pins. It's a great idea to try and get these parallel to each other or to meet each other in the middle. You'll see I don't. So if I could have slid that over in exactly the same place as the one on the other side, it would have been better. Mine's like an inch different. It's not so good. But it still works. And again, pop that bun donut just as you did over the whole ponytail, but you're doing it over half this time. And secure it down in the same fashion. You're then going to flip that hair back over the bun donut, much like you did in the first style, and smooth it over so the bun donut is completely covered by your hair. You're then going to, again, in exactly the same way, tie the hair off underneath and then secure with a bobby pin. Like poke it up underneath the bun donut. I kind of just caught a bit of the hairband in, then poked it up just to make it extra secure. Now, just as in the first style, taking that kind of tail of hair and smoothing it around towards the front of my hair. So with this tail of hair, try and flatten it out so that each piece is almost like a ribbon of hair. It just gives a really nice, smooth and layered effect. You can really see the sections of hair, they stay nice and separate. Again, if you want to spray these or gel these sections first, then that might help even more. You're going to release the front section of your hair and one side at a time, obviously, because doing both sides at the time would be almost impossible. You're going to smooth the hair back and wrap it around the bun that you formed at the back of your head. Again, try and keep the hair as flat and ribbon-like as possible. Does that make sense? Oh, my dishwasher, oh my goodness, it's so noisy. I hope you can't hear that. Oh, so noisy. So just smoothing it around, trying to keep it ribbon-like and flat underneath and then up over the top. Obviously, the length, how long your hair is, will determine how far around your bun your hair goes. At this point, when I was filming this video, my hair was pretty long, although these were the layered sections, so yeah, still quite long, but you know, just give it a go. And just repeating that on the other side, so keeping it nice and smooth and taut, wrapping it around the back of the bun and up to the front and pinning in place, trying to poke away any ends as you go. Yeah, I used about a ton of hairspray for this video. I just really wanted it to be really nice and smooth. It's all on show really at the back, so you want to kind of make sure that it looks quite well done, I guess. So you just use your finger to poke it under like I'm doing there. It's not difficult, just try your best. Okay, then splitting the hair at the back into two. And again, I'm sure you can guess what we're going to be doing now. Brushing it nice and flat and straight and pulling it up and over the bun this time. So you're getting an effect of like folded pieces of hair. Just keeping it nice and flat and smoothing it around the bun. Ribbon-like, you see? Generally, as you're doing this, it kind of tucks in all the sticky out bits from the last piece anyway, so that's quite handy. And the last piece, I can see a bit sticking out there. That's not fair. Never mind. Can't be perfect. Have to accept it. I wasn't using a mirror. It's all okay. Obviously, you won't be filming a video when you do your hair, so you will be able to stop and check the back of your hair and make sure you've not got any frizzy bits sticking out. Also, I could have done with poking that bobby pin in a bit tighter. Just try and poke your bobby pins into your hairstyle rather than laying them flat across the style so you see the entire pin. That's not what you want. You want to poke them in. Okay. So that's as good as I can get it. I'm just poking the edges in. My fringe has gone hella crazy, so I need to style that, and again tucking it under this time, see if that works a bit nicer. And I've got the Grow Gain ribbon and just tied it around the back. I think that looks pretty cute. Hope you like it. Let me know if you try it in the comment section down below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.